di ba nagkabatayan doon?
Oo.
Eh dito, gusto namin peaceful protest. So ayaw namin magkaroon ng issue. So ang gagawin lang namin, parang noise barrage.
Para sa mamamayan, nilalakawan.
Ayun! Yung ano, dito para makita ng mga tao. Kasi wala pang nakukulong. Si Martin Romualdez,
Huwag niyong itago! Ilabas niyo!
Thank you. Pwede ba?
Sige
Si
po.
Martin Romualdez, si Sandro
Tang na
Marcos,
mga magnanakaw.
safe pa silang lahat yan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Buendia Gate, Forbes Park para mag-protest. Tingnan mo yung mga sasakyan dyan, hindi na makalabas. Lalabas na sila? Okay lang. Okay lang. We are not obstructing the people here, but there are plenty of politicians, corrupt politicians that live here. So, napakita lang natin na no one is spared, not even the wealthiest people. Okay, at ito yung pinakamayamang subdivision sa buong Pilipinas dito sa Forbes Park. Kaya we are protesting here so we can show the people that we do not have to fear anyone, no matter how rich or powerful they may be.
Yes.
Okay, tama?
Tama!
Tama!
Laban para sa bayan!
Laban para sa bayan!
Sa mga magnanakaw na politiko dyan! Lumabas na kayo!
Sa loob niyan sa Forbes Park, there are hundreds of billions of stolen funds that we can take back and insert back into our economy. Okay? So, this is also a call for justice. Kasi pag nabalik na yan sa ekonomiya natin, we can start allocating those funds into projects that could help improve our country and our economy. We can start building more schools, we can start building more hospitals, everything. Infrastructure projects, education projects, health-related projects, everything once we take what is stolen from us that lies beyond those gates.
Sir, sinong tao po ang nandyan na pinapanawagan nyo po? Sino pong official ng gobyerno?
Nabaltaan ko may bahay dyan si Zaldico at si Martin Romualdez sa loob ng Forbes Park.
Uh-huh.
Kaya yun lang yung target namin. Sinabi ko din sa mga residents sa loob ng Forbes Park na ang plano ko is just for Martin Romualdez and Zaldico. I want to see for myself what they have stolen from the people.
Wala namang paggugulo, sir. Wala naman tayong...
Wala yun. We will not open fire. We did not even bring weapons. Hindi ko alam sa iba, pero ang sabi ko sa lahat ng mga tao ko, no weapons. No weapons. We won't bring any weapons. Pag babaril na kami, di okay lang. Well, the tree of justice, of progress, is nourished by the blood of martyrs.
Hanggang ano oras tayo?
Yun. Minsan, kailangan talaga may mga mamamatay para sa kinabukasan natin. And kung kami yun, that's fine. Because progress cannot be made without sacrifice.
Sir, hanggang kailan kayo magpo-protesta?
Hanggang oras to?
Hanggang bumaba.
Or mga 1 hour lang kasi may session pa ako bukas eh.
Okay, sige, sir.
Sino yung mga kasama niyo dito, sir?
Kami lang,
Ordinaryong Pilipino.
mga tao namin.
Mga Pilipino dito.
Kasi mga iba.
Ordinaryo! Hindi ba yan?
Yung crowd, nag-enjoy sila. Na-excite sila, gusto nilang sumali. They want to be part of the revolution.
May gusto kayong panawagan, sir? Sa mga tao o ano ba? May gusto pa kayong panawagan?
The international community. Okay, wait, teka lang. The international community, the Philippine government, the Filipino people has always removed corrupt officials through peaceful protests. Hindi tayo gagaya sa Nepal, hindi tayo gagaya sa mga nangyayari sa ibang bansa. We will do this peacefully. We will get Marcos to resign peacefully, and this is just the first step. Every day from now on, we will be protesting at various subdivisions, yung mga pinakamayamang subdivision kung saan nakatira yung mga congressman, para makita nila na just as the ordinary people, the poor people are afraid to lose their houses during typhoons and earthquakes, ngayon sila naman yung makakaramdam ng feeling na yung kalaban nila, yung mga naghahanap ng hustisya ay nasa labas na ng mga gates.
Sir, hindi ba kayo natatakot? Baka balikan kayo ng gobyerno sa ginagawa niyo?
Okay lang yun, lahat man tayo mamamatay.
So you mentioned that this is just the first step. After today, what's next?
Bukas, mag-rally kami dito sa Forbes Park.
Sir, are we expecting na haharapin talaga kayo? Anybody from the Co or the Romualdez dito?
Hindi ko alam, kasi si John Vic nandito din eh, di ba may mga police siya? Mga 2,000, 3,000 police mobilized sa Forbes Park, pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. I've heard that may headquarters sila doon sa loob, may temporary headquarters sila, pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. If John Vic's watching this, I hope he comes out.
Sir, dati kinampanya nyo si BBM, tama? So ngayon, nagsisisi ba kayo na kinampanya nyo siya?
Hindi naman, kasi pag kinumpara mo yung mga speech ni BBM noong 2022 at noong 2025, then they're very different people. Kasi pag nakita mo yung mga pinagsasabi ni BBM ngayon, it's very chaotic, very unsure. Pero noong 2022, at that time, no one could have blamed anyone for believing in him because he actually had a vision of unity and a vision of hope for our future. Now, sobrang dami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya. And I think it's time for him to resign.
Sa tingin niyo sir, bakit nagkaganito yung pamumuno?
Hindi natin alam. Maybe he just prioritized his own interests and his own family's interests over the interests of the people. Maybe he was a good person back then, pero masyado siyang natakot na baka mapatalsik siya ulit. So he tried to collect all the resources for himself so that he will always have power. Hindi natin alam. I can't speak for BBM or in BBM's behalf, but for Marcos, I just hope he starts to understand what the people feel about it.
Okay, thank you. Sir.
Thank you po, salamat po.
Thank you. Sir, another one from you. You're a government official and apparently you're protesting against the highest executive. Have you given a heads up to other government officials regarding your protest today?
Well, firstly, I'm not the only government official that is protesting. There are plenty of other protesters from different sides of the government. From the Senate, we have people who joined the Peso March and from Congress as well. So we have different methods, but at the end of the day, what we want is to just get the money of the people back and to imprison those who have stolen.
So gamit ka ng power, yung force ng other government officials or namumuo ka sa mga or grupo against the highest executive na nagpo-protest.
Well, it grows every day. We are growing, and that's what's important. And hopefully, once they see the potential damage corruption is causing our country, our numbers will grow.
Sir, last topic from me. The president might be sleeping right now or hindi natin lang kung ano ginagawa niya, but you're here outside protesting. Anything you want to say to him?
Sir, ulit.
Meow meow, start listening to the people, or maybe you won't have the opportunity anymore if it's too late. Kasi at the end of the day, you are brought to that position by the people. And once you start considering your family above the family of others, then the people will do the same. They'll start considering the interests of their own families over your family. Okay? Because the people believe in you. There are still some who do. The question here is now, should they continue believing in you? Could you give a reason for the people to continue believing in you? Kasi we believed in you, all of us did. We all thought you would make things better, but things are not better. One is collapsing, the peso is rapidly deteriorating, our stock market also crashed, and now we are facing instability in Mindanao. There's a possibility of secession again. What else? Hundreds of billions have been sold, so investors are losing confidence in our government, and there might also be mass resignations soon in the reserves, the military, due to loss of confidence for the government. It's all Marcos's choice.
Sir, last na sir, ba't yung ginagawa ito sir? Bakit yung ginagawa?
Why are you here?
Wala akong ibang magawa today. Bored lang, imbis na maglaro ako, mag-games na ako sa bahay.
Common sense. Diba?
Bilang Pilipino.
Bilang Pilipino, nakawa na nga tayo eh.
And this is all part of my role as a public official. Kailangan talaga nating labanan ng korupsyon. And if I cannot fight from within
IQ na lang.
then here where I do have numbers, is where I will fight.
Do you have any calls to citizens regarding yung ginagawa niya po ngayon? Do you want them to do the same?
Kaya niya ginagawa, hindi siya.
Yes,
Diba?
of course. They are doing
Hindi siya takot sa administration. Kasi kung takot siya,
Nanakaw eh.
I will be more and more happy as long as no one is
gusto niya mga magnanakaw, di sana tumayo.
yung kay Pink Lacson, di ba? We want the trillion stolen back. Okay, hindi lang yung this year, for last year. The whole Marcos administration, ever since Romualdez took office and became Speaker of the House, doon nag-umpisa lahat, madami tayong nakita dito ng 2024 budget and also the very corrupt 2026 budget. As we